Alright, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video I'll be showing you how to create your Gray account. The moment you download your Gray app from Play Store, you will see it like this. Now it's because of the Christmas season, that's why you are seeing the logo is like this. They added this. Or a normal color is gonna be black. It's gonna be a black color. Yeah, so just click on it and then come to create account. Click on create account, and then you are from Nigeria. If you are not from Nigeria, you choose your country. Just click on the country and then you choose. If you are Nigeria, just click on this proceed. All right, so it's loading. All right, so you see what they wrote here. Let me show you first. The name, the first name, the middle name, and the surname should appear as it is on the ID card. You understand? So if your name is Jeremiah Sandy and your first name is Sandy, then your Sandy should come up here exactly as it appears on your ID card. So for the sake of this video, I'll be using Solomon JC, which is JC, right? So is a male. As you can see, you select. If you are a female, you select, and then Solo KDP 2025 at gmail.com, right? Yeah, so and then you put in the phone number. Let me see, 7. Alright, so after you put in your phone number and every details, you click on continue. Alright, so here you put in your password, and the password must contain the whole of these cases, these criteria, 8 characters. At least it must be at least 8 character, an upper letter, a lower case letter, a special character, and a number. So let me put it here. Alright, so as you can see, I've already added my password. All you have to do is you come here, you select these boxes. Alright, you select these boxes. I agree. That's if you want to be receiving update from them, which I want to, and I accept their terms and conditions. But you can read the terms and conditions and policy if you want to. You click on next. Alright, so here they will send an OTP to your email, and then you put in the OTP. So we are waiting for the OTP. Alright, let me. Yeah, so okay. So the OTP has come. 509004. Alright, so you verify your. Click on verify. You click on verify, and then automatically it verifies your account. So here you're gonna what you want to use Gray for. So if you are using it for KDP, you can send money from abroad, get a foreign account to receive payment, get a virtual card for online shopping. I think this is enough. But if you want any reason you can. I don't do great for invoice. Yeah, save and hold funds for foreign currency. There are these two is also. You click on submit. Alright, so you can see here you set up your pin. The pin is for maybe you want to log in the app, or you want to withdraw your money, or you want to send money from the Gray. So you set up a 4-digit pin. Alright, you say fast sign in. You see quick skill sign in and login privacy. So that's why you set up this. So I'll pause this video and set up the pin. As you can see, we have already put our 4-digit pin. Just click on continue. Also, we confirm your Gray pin. You click on continue. Alright, so you can see welcome to Gray. You go to home. Yeah, so we have signed up on gray.co. So alright, so but before we get our dollar account details and the other maybe pounds and euro account details, we have to finish verification. All right, here they will ask you for your national ID card or voter's card or driver's license, depending on your country, for you to get the foreign bank account. So the verification, you click on begin, you can see complete your verification. That will enable you receive money, get virtual card, swap between currencies, create your unique gray um, tag. So it's very easy. All you have to do is just click on begin. As you can see here, begin verification. You click on it. All right, so you put in your details. You put in your details, everything here. And then after putting your details, you put in your date of birth, and then you verify. All right, so I'm coming. Okay, so we'll continue for where we stop. So you put in your details. So as for this, we're using Demboa Maiduguri. Normally when you put in your home address, it will, if it's a popular address, it will bring the remaining one. So you can see Demboa Road, Maiduguri is the address, and then it has picked the state. I don't know whether you are observing what I'm saying. It has picked the state. It has picked, you can see Maiduguri. Then you put in your zip code here. You put in your zip code here. For just go to your Chrome browser and search zip code Damboa Road, and then you see it. So for the zip code, I use my other phone, it's 600-252. All right, so you come up here. Now I talked about, if you want to put your the proof of address, I mostly use that of the what's it called, that of bank statement. All right, but you can use utility bill, that's maybe NEPA bill, water bill, or anything. They say any government issued document. Though I usually don't use this, but you see this utility bill, bank statement, I usually use it. Or if you have any rental, you can use them, maybe payment. So let's go for bank statement. And the bank statement, you just request your bank statement from your bank, and then just screenshot the first page. And then after you screenshot the first page, you put it here. You just put it here, and then you are good to go. All right, and then you are good to go. So let's see. I think so this, because it's a sample video, that's, I will not and this is not my account I'm creating. I already have my gray account. Or let me see, let me use, there's a bank statement sample. So it's just the first page. Just the first page. You I'm coming. Where did I drop this? That should be at the beginning. Anyways, it's not really, since I'm not really going to verify the account now until the person sends the original bank statement. Let me just use anyone as a sample for you guys to see. But actually, I want to show you how it used to be. Sorry. Okay. So something like this. You can see. I don't know whether you saw. Let me open it for you. So this is a bank statement of GT Bank. Do I actually screenshot it so the quality is down? You just screenshot the first page, and then you upload it. Just upload it here. Yeah, any bank so that's if you are using bank statement. If you have any receipt to you, and then you put in your date of birth. Just put in your date of birth. Let's see. Let's see, 2002. Let me see, December. Okay. 2002 December. Okay, so December 27th. Yeah, so this is this guy's date of birth. Then you click on next. Alright, so click on next, and then I think it will open. Let's see, network is not as fast. Okay, so you select here. They say, do you identify as a political exposed person? Say no. Are your family member or a close associate of the politics exposed to exposed person? Say no. The reason is because if it's true, they will not even allow you. They don't want any political interruption, so you continue. So this is where they will do the verification, and if you're actually using your, you can see they say, before you can make any transaction, we are required by law to verify identity. To do this, you will have to upload a copy of a valid government issued ID card, so international passport, driver's license, or national ID card. So I usually go for national ID card. So, but this is not my account, as I said. So I actually will just stop here because I'll just explain the only thing that is remain. So if you are using a national ID card, all they need is just your NIN number, which is just the NIN number. And then when you click on the NIN number, they'll ask you to do face verification. Now, the first verification, they will require you to use your phone, and then your phone should have a very good camera. Yeah, so the camera should be so good that the front camera, I mean, that it can verify minutes. So if actually you tried with your phone, and it should be in the morning or afternoon when the sun is bright. Don't try it in at night because it will not verify. I think that's the only issue. But I've never tried with driver's license or international passport, but I know it will definitely work. So if you actually have your national ID card, you don't even need to snap it. The moment you put in the NIN number, you are good to go. So let me just show you where to put in the NIN number. I think since it's not my account, you can just click here. I cannot be able to verify with the face. Yeah, I'm just using it as an example. So you click on begin identity verification, and then it will load.